It might be a ling. It's heavy, whatever it is.
Oh.
Jeez.
Matt.
Here's the shark.
Matt.
Guthrie, I caught the shark
What
again.
Oh, there goes my leader.
Yeah. He's a leader eater. I will come over with the net. Yeah, let it run.
Love it. I know it's not a ling because he's not going straight down. Oh, there it is. It's a shark.
It's a shark?
It is a shark.
Again, it's the shark is what it is.
Well, I wanted to catch one of those too, right? Always grab it by the tail when it comes up.
Yep.
Think it's the same one?
I think it is. Yeah, man. It does look a little bigger, doesn't it?
Hey. Get out of here.
Nice.
Release.
Right there. He's finally adhering and growling.
Go for it, I'm videoing. Right on.
Sweet, I got a shark. There's one in my tube.
Excellent, dude.
He fought different than the other one.
Oh, he's come to life. Oh! Torture chamber today.
Man, that's what looks like mine.
Boy! Or is it? Yeah, it's a silver. There we go. Shook my hooks at the boat. Coho. Shit. I'm trying to get by you. Yes, that's the right kind. Let him fight, let him fight. Oh, not on the boat. Jesus. Okay. Yeah! Right on, Matt.
He swam right into your net.
Well, that's always convenient.
That's a ling. Pretty excitable.
Well, you weren't far enough under to have a ling, were you?
Right up 15 feet down. Oh.
No, we're on a hot bite right here.
You got something on here? I'll go over here in case he needs some help. In case he goes to my own. Yeah, I got a radio. I can. I think I got GPS. I got one good back. I'm coming, man. Just let me know whether I gotta wait an extra day for him to make it back. Turn off. Get back down there, man. This is hot right here. Oh, this guy's not done either.
I got more cut plugs over here, Matt, but they're hitting chovies too.
Oh, he's under you.
It's a salmon.
I still couldn't tell. It's flashing aside. I think it's a ling, but
I think it's a salmon. I mean, no ling has ever shaken that much and moved in circles.
man, they're hitting him like put yourself down. Oh, they're I don't want to have him right now. It's feeding time again. Good. Yeah. That's how I like it when they attack it instead of that tap and you
I
got
don't
a.
know what, he was on there, he popped off.
Holy cow, Bob! What do you got there, man? This thing is kicking your butt right now.
We like that kind of butt kicking.
Nice, I love it.
Yeah,
That's a baby.
he's still 15, 20 feet down. See him? Look down
No
here.
problem.
Whoa.
Have you seen it yet?
Oh yeah, several times. He's behind you
Cod?
guys.
That's no ling cod.
He's right. See him?
Is it a ling? Oh, ling, is it?
I'm thinking it is.
Maybe it's a halibut. What?
No, that's a salmon. And he. Oh, if I didn't know, but that's a rainbow.
Is you see purple?
No, I saw spots all over his back.
Okay,
Wait a minute.
See him?
I do. It's a salmon. I can't see it good enough to tell what it is, but just net
And
it.
I just can't grab that net without losing one of us.
Well, you know what happened last time I tried to net the mother. I quit that job.
Come net it. I'm good at netting now.
It-
He's pretty thoroughly hooked.
Remember, it freaks when you put the net in, so
Right. That was on
that's gonna
purpose.
no, keep the net in and then try to guide it to it.
Right. Pull it up and.
But don't let it touch the net if you're not going to net it. That's this trick.
All right, raise your rod up. You're doing good. That's a nice one.
And he is not anywhere. He's the other side of your route.
Yeah, that's all.
Come on, Matt. Where's yours? Yeah, come on. Let's get going, buddy.
He's not ready. He's not getting off though. That hook is like through his side of his gill plate.
Good. We like that.
Sure. I like it a lot better.
Bob's paid his dues. You better reel to that weight a little bit.
I have to reel up a little.
Yeah. I just don't want
There you go. You're going to get him this time. Got him up. Keep working over. Oh, he is a spicy guy.
Don't let him get caught on the net.
to. No. I'm protecting something else. Staying below the net. That's okay. I got you back.
Oh, he's not done. He's... Come on. I'm loving it. Eric, you're doing a good job today. You got to land him now.
You got one more. Get busy.
If you can get that left arm up in the air, it'll help you.
He's ready to come in the net. He's tired.
Yeah, Bob!
Yes.
Yeah, Bob!
Oh, nice.
Yeah!
Yeah.
And he spit the hook. How about that?
Oh, right in the net. I love it when that happens.
Yeah.
Love it when a plan comes together.
All right.
You work for
He's got the purple, it looks like.
Holy cow.
And it didn't go. Oh, yeah, it's a Chinook. Bob.
Come on, man. Let's get one now.
it. Hold on. Let me get this hook.
I want my 5. I want it now.
Last thing you do is rip the line out. All right, take your time, Matt. Wear it out. Wear it out. Wear it out.
Chase boat.
Go, Matt, go. That was the option.
No, this was on. I made a cut plug out of the sardine.
Cut plug sardine.
Yeah, that's sardine too.
Cut plug sardine. I like it.
Yeah, they weren't hitting the sardine, so I was like, maybe it's the spin, maybe it's not the fish, maybe it's the wiggle. And 5 minutes, maybe? Slowly but surely coming. I honestly don't care what it is as long as I can get my hands on it.
I'm pretty positive I saw a big beaver.
I get ready. Here he comes.
Oh, it's tail hook. No wonder.
I thought so much she ate it to the butt and then got hooked up. Still a good size one. He's in.
Now I'm videoing. Letting go big fat silver.
Woo!
Nice
Jenny,
job, Matt.
Go back to whence you came.
Sweet.
Get out of there.
Good job, bro.